This totally reminds me of like a salsa dancer or something like that. Kind of like pea soup green, if you will. Scanty dress. That's my only hang up there, even though I think it's cute in theory and would be cute for Mexico. I just need to see what goes with the majority of my outfits, like I said. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a blogger, content creator, and I live in Phoenix with my husband Andrew and our son Sage. So we are actually going to Mexico. We're going to Puerto Vallarta with my parents next week. So I thought it would be fun to share a video of what I'm planning on packing for our trip to Mexico. I actually did a video just like this for our honeymoon trip to Italy a few months back. And what actually gave me the idea was I posted a Sezane collection of like my favorite pieces from Sezane just a few days ago, and so I thought that would be kind of an interesting video to do. I have a lot of Sezane pieces that I'm including in the outfits for Mexico as well. I actually love planning out outfits for trips. I also really like to basically just kind of like find pieces that are going to mix and match really well. That way I'm able to like maximize how many outfits I'm getting without having to bring too many pieces. Andrew and I both like to travel really light. So what I'm gonna show you guys today, I still need to narrow down a little bit, but this is like everything that I've pulled so far for our trip to Mexico, which we'll be leaving on in a little less than a week. Okay, so I'm gonna start with bottoms and then move into dresses. So first up is this pair of shorts from Sezane. They are like a paper bag style short, and they definitely have like a very retro feel to them with this belt. As you guys can see, the bottoms are cuffed, they're a little bit more high-waisted. I don't get a ton of wear out of these, but I feel like they'll be perfect for Mexico. So I wanted to try to get these a little bit of time, a little bit of a moment. So I'll be bringing these shorts to Mexico. Okay, so I have another Sezane piece here. This is a crochet skirt that I actually shared in my last video, and this has a matching crochet top as well, so I can wear it as a set or I can mix and match the pieces. So I'll definitely be bringing this skirt for sure. I have another Sezane skirt here. This one I don't wear a ton just because the material that it is requires a lot of ironing, but it is a really cute skirt for Mexico. It has like kind of a Hispanic, like Spanish vibe to it with the ruffles skirt. It actually ties here on the side, and it's a cute little floral pattern. So this looks black. I think it's actually supposed to be like a really dark navy, but it comes off as black, and then it has this cute little red floral pattern. So this totally reminds me of like a salsa dancer or something like that. So I think this will be cute for Mexico as well. TBD on if I'm going to be bringing that one. And then one other pair of shorts here that I may or may not bring. Sorry guys, the lighting is really weird because we've actually had 2 really foggy days in Arizona. So hopefully the lighting isn't too bad, but just like this pair of vintage white shorts. So I need to narrow it down. I'm not going to bring that many bottoms because we're only going for 5 days. Okay, so moving on to dresses, I have this little number here. It's a very flirty dress, basically like perfect for a date, like a little date dress. It definitely has like a Spanish kind of vibe to it, I'd say, with like the ruffles. The only thing with this one is that it really plunges a lot. I have to like use like a little clip to make it not as plunging, and then it's also a little short. I can't remember, but it's definitely like a little scanty dress. So I'm not sure because I might not be able to get as much wear out of this dress compared to the other ones. So I'll show you those. Okay, so there is this Sezane dress. This is fairly new to my collection. I have not gotten to wear it very much. I think just like for a couple dates or something. So this is a good option. It's very stretchy. It's a very pretty kind of like pea soup green, if you will. So that's kind of a good option. And then I think for sure I'll be bringing this dress, which is also from Sezane. This little black dress with like buttons down the front. Definitely has kind of like a little retro vibe to it as well. I think this I would get like a lot more wear out of. Although my parents are treating us to a kind of like a Cirque du Soleil show. So Andrew and I will definitely be doing a little date as my parents watch Sage. So I kind of want to wear something really cute for that. And then we're also going to do one other kind of excursion, just Andrew and I. We have to decide what that's going to be. But the last dress option is this dress, which actually my aunt gave me. It's a long white dress with kind of a crochet material on the top, halter style, cinched, kind of like scrunchy waist, and then it goes all the way down to past my ankles basically. So this definitely has like a Spanish vibe to it as well, so that would be cute for Mexico. This would also work as a good like swim cover up for going to the beach. I was going to bring this crochet dress as a swim cover up, so I need to narrow that down because like I said, I'm not just going to bring all 4 dresses. I don't need 4 dresses to go to Mexico with. Okay, so for tops, we have this cute little crochet top. That is the one that goes with that crochet skirt. So for sure bringing that because I feel like that will be perfect for Mexico. Also great for mixing and matching. I also have this Sezane top, this little like polka dot ruffly top, which would look cute with the denim high-waisted shorts, the white shorts, maybe even that like crochet skirt. So I think I will for sure bring this one. Here is another Sezane shirt that would be perfect for Mexico. This is a kind of like a white eyelet tank top basically. The only problem with this is a size extra small. I used to be an extra small before my pregnancy, and now I'm more of a small. So this is a little too tight underneath my armpits now. So it's not super comfortable is the only problem, but this would be really cute for Mexico. So I need to make a decision there. And then this top, I think I am going to maybe not bring, like out of all those tops, definitely, I think this is one that I might not bring. This is from Sezane as well. This is also a size extra small, but it is like way too loose on me, even though it's an extra small. Like that's one of the things about Sezane is that their sizing is super weird, which I mentioned in my last video, which was kind of why I wanted to do a video about my least favorite pieces from Sezane, and this is probably one of them. Even though I like it in theory, but you can't really wear a bra with it. You'd have to wear like a strapless bra or something along those lines, and you can never, at least I can never get these right, these like ties right to where it looks good. So that's my only hang up there, even though I think it's cute in theory and would be cute for Mexico. Okay, so I have 2 swimsuit options. I have this black one-piece suit with buttons down the side. This is from Sezane. And then I have this little bikini, which is like a floral pattern. So I think I'll just go ahead and bring both of these. That way I can decide how I'm feeling when we get there, like when we're going to the beach or whatever. So I have 2 swimsuit options. I have 3 options for bags, so I need to decide what to bring, but I have this little rattan bag, which would be super cute. I haven't gotten to wear this a ton, so I would like to give one of these purses a moment in Mexico. I also have this one, which is kind of like a straw bag that has a bohemian feel to it. And then this really cute vintage Strata bag would also be really perfect for Mexico. So I need to make a decision there based on what's gonna go with the majority of the outfits. And then for shoes, I have these cute little life stride sandals with kind of like a woven material on them, like a white woven material. These definitely have like a very beachy vibe to them, although they would not be good for the beach. So I actually bought a pair of like $5 flip-flops from Target, just like black ones to wear on the beach. These will be more for like activities. And then these knee to low huaraches would obviously be perfect for Mexico, but I just need to see what goes with the majority of my outfits, like I said. Okay guys, so that is everything that I am bringing for our trip to Mexico. So I'm going to be posting this video on New Year's Eve actually, because I've been trying to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I may end up changing that going into the new year. I kind of feel like maybe Monday and Friday would be better, but I have been really posting like twice a week, and it's always been on Tuesday and Thursday for like the past few months now, so we'll have to evaluate that going into the new year. But today is actually New Year's Eve, so we are going to Andrew's cousins who recently moved to the area again. They invited us to a New Year's Eve party, so we are very excited for that. That is tonight, and then we basically just need to get like a lot of work done so that we can enjoy our time in Mexico, because we both work remote, which is nice because we have like a ton of flexibility for trips like this, but that means that we also have to like work really hard going up to the trip. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And also follow along with me on socials at ThirdsBoneDarling, and check out my blog, ThirdsBoneDarling.com, for more content. I will definitely be posting videos and photos from Mexico, so be sure to check for those. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!